go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And we are on prime time now. We had Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all done. We got sales still going on now, all the way up till Christmas. So definitely check them out. Let's see what's in this box. Hopefully you guys had a good day and staying warm because it is cold in Michigan. Really cold outside today. So definitely, hopefully, you guys are indoors and not outdoors. And definitely hibernation mode has started. I ain't going out that much during this winter time. I hate it. But we got things to do. Here we go. Not sure who this is coming from. But it is going to be bada boom. Wireless microphone check. 1, 2, 1, 2. For Type-C, or so they got one for the iPhone, so either or. And this is 1 to 2. So I get 2 mics, I think. So there's one for one. Alright. Plug and play is always a good thing. Precise radio. Excuse me. Clear timbre. Highly sensitive. Widely compatible. Alright. Support 1 to 2. Alright. Let's take a look inside. Oh, that was easy. Easy peasy. CZhiyang. I think that's how it is. We got the plug right here. That looks kind of like an iPhone. So maybe they included both of them, which is nice. But I got Android, so I'm happy with it. It does its job, serves its purpose. And we got in here the cable. So it's the first time using one of these. And we're going to try it out. Hopefully I can figure out how to add it to this. I got 2 USB types. Alright. Nice case. Super lightweight, easy to fit in your pocket. Charge. So you get 2 of them. That must be the receiver. Yep. Just plug it in. Oh, fumble. Alright. I'll improve audio quality in the videos. Really nice mic. Don't mind my little scar there. I think it should be charged. Got a little clip on. So everybody's been using these. There's the power button. You guys can see it. USB goes there. I'm going to plug this in and see what happens. Alright guys, you can't see it, but it is plugged in, and I'm using the microphone right now. We got the green light lit. And all you had to do is just plug it into your USB port, and it reads it automatically. So hopefully this sounds good. I'll probably be using this throughout the videos now, unless I get other ones. But so far, really impressed. Super lightweight, easy to use. And like I said, clip on. You can clip this onto anything, your hat, t-shirt. I'm not sure if they got filters for it, but Hello. Rah, 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 rah. Microphone, mic. There we go. So, I mean, yeah, definitely a nice one. If you guys are in the market for the new year to improve your audio, check them out. CZhiyang. Right down the link below. You guys, all you gotta do, click it, add it to your cart, check out. Be safe. Have a good day, and I'll see you next video.